Hi y'all, if you're new here, I'm Summer Eyes. Welcome to my channel, and in general, if you're watching this, thank you so much. I am thankful for every single second that you spend on my channel watching my videos. So today I'm going to be doing a review of a product, and it's this Simply Straight ceramic hair straightening brush. A straightening brush is more like a brush, right? So it's supposed to save you time and energy and effort as compared to using a regular hair straightener. Then also, because of the structure, it's like a brush, right? So it can also reach areas of your hair that a hair straightener will not be able to reach. So this product is not new. It's been on the market for some years, and I just recently bought it. I got this from an online store, Gigi.ng. It's a Nigerian online store, and I got it for 2,800, and trust me, I checked different stores and this price is the lowest that I saw. Lowest. So it ranges from about 3,000 to like 5, 6, maybe up to 10,000 even. I'm not very sure. So first of all, I found one for 2005, but when I spoke to the seller said that they hadn't sold for that price since last year, which means that they have hiked up their prices. The prices of pretty much everything in Nigeria has increased from last year to this year, so it's understandable. But this is 2,800, and this is the lowest that I have seen so far. So if you want the details, I'll leave it in the description box below. Before I continue, when I got this product, first of all, I was amazed at the fact that I ordered it and I got it the very same day. Now my only issue with this was I just got it yesterday. The package doesn't look very new. It looks like it has seen better days, which is probably the reason why this person is still selling it for 2008. Looks like it has been in the store for a long time. I initially had fears that perhaps it had been used and they just packed it and gave it to me, but when I opened the inside, it looks pretty new. It doesn't look like it's ever been used. So this is how it looks. This is what it looks like on the inside, and this is pretty much. So these are the controls. It has a LED screen here that shows you the temperature. You'd see it when I plug it in. It heats up to about 450 degrees Fahrenheit. When I did try it yesterday, the highest it went was 230 C, which is Celsius, and I was a bit confused because on the packaging it says 450 degrees Fahrenheit, but when I did the conversion I realized that it's pretty much the same thing. 230 degrees Celsius, Google did the conversion, actually ended up being about 446 or something Fahrenheit, so it's still about the same. But I don't know why they will have Fahrenheit on the packaging and how maybe they change it over time or something. I don't even know, because on some videos that I saw it was actually measured in Fahrenheit, but I now saw another newer video sort of, and she had hers on Celsius, on C, so maybe it's like a change, or I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna plug this in and we'll see how it goes. So I just plugged it to power, and what happens is that when you do plug it, the screen blinks and tells you it's off and then goes off, so you need to press the power button and hold for a few seconds, then it comes up. You see it's on. Oh Jesus, I hope you can see this. You see how it's moving up. This is how the temperature is like rising. You can see the LED telling you that the temperature is going up. I hope the focus is right. It seems like it's not. Sorry, it slowed down a bit, but it will keep peaking until it gets to a particular temperature. Then when it gets there, you can increase it if you like. It's coming up. I will be combing my hair and adding heat protectant to it. It's called protectant, right? Okay, 180 degrees Celsius is where it stopped, so I'm just going to use the plus button and increase that so it goes up to 230. So let's put this product to the test and see if it really saves us time and energy. I'm going to take a larger section now. You don't actually have to make several passes before it straightens. Once you put it once, you can tell that there's a difference. Even with this section that was much larger. So I feel like as long as the brush can get through the hair, it will do the work. You may also want to use a glove for this, because as I'm touching the hair, it's actually pretty hot. But like this, I just divided this sides into 3 and I'm already done with half of this hair. If I was straightening the hair, I wouldn't have gone this far by now. In case you're still doubting, here is the before. This is what my hair looked like before, and here is the after using the brush, and we just achieved this in just a few minutes. So not to divide this last part into 2. I decided to just do it as one and see. So this is like the largest section I've taken so far, and it seems really fine. I think basically you just have to make sure that the brush really gets into the hair, as long as it can enter into the strands of the hair. Like, if you're listening what I'm doing, like enter in, you'll be fine no matter how large the sections are, which I think is really, really nice. For a hair straightener, you'd have to do smaller sections, but this one you can do very large sections and you'd still be fine. Just make sure that the brush is going through the hair, because of course if the brush is not touching the strands of the hair, you don't expect it to be able to straighten it. So I don't really know what is happening. It's not that hot. Like, the heat has really, really, really reduced. You can tell that it's not as hot as it was before. So we're done, and here is the result. Look, I am glad that I got this brush. It feels very, very easy using it, and I would highly recommend it. Because putting heat in your hair is not something that you should do often, but if you want to, I think this is a good way to go. Just make sure you apply heat protection to your hair. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, if you liked it, kindly give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and turn on the notification bell so that you would know when I post a new video. Very beneficial videos I put together just for you. Make sure that you subscribe and make sure you turn on that notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.